Hi, I received an Instagram comment on my illustration video and it said, "You traced." So naturally, I thought they were commenting because they wanted to know if I traced or not. It didn't really register to me that they were just leaving a statement comment and not a question comment because, there's no punctuations. So I responded, "Yep, I did trace," and then I proceeded to share my process because maybe they were curious on how I created my art so they can do the same. But I was wrong. They told me that what I was doing wasn't art. I then had one of those inside out core memory moments because this is the kind of dialogue I used to say to myself, internally. I used to prioritize others' opinions of art over my own. I would allow others to define what art was for me instead of me defining it for myself. Now, for me, art doesn't really have a definition. For me, art is freedom. So comments like these no longer hit how they used to because my outlook has changed. So I responded to their comment thanking them for sharing what their perspective of what they considered art to be with me. Then I cheered them on and encouraged them to keep creating the art that brings them joy and happiness. To which they told me just to shut up, Tracer. So my question to you, what's your main goal? What dream do you want to accomplish? Are comments like these what's stopping you from starting your webtoon or for creating your art? My dreams have changed back to what they originally were when I was a little girl, which is my childhood dream is to create art in webtoons and comics and do what I love doing, do what brings me joy and happiness. So what's your dreams? What are your goals? And what's kind of stopping you from doing that? Is it the internal dialogue that's kind of stopping you because you're saying this kind of stuff to yourself? Or is it something else? I definitely love to learn more and open up my perspective on what other people's struggles are. But either way, thank you for watching and make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I kind of share more of my process too. Okay, bye!